What's up guys, today I'll show you how to do voiceover TikTok videos. So for that, let's go ahead and create our first TikTok video for testing purposes. So you can record whatever you want, have voice or no voice in it. And then once you're done, click on the check mark and now save the video. Give it any name that you want and make sure save to album option is on so it will save in your photos, and make sure the private option is enabled so it won't be published to the users. Now once it's saved, it will go ahead and deploy. And now let's go back to iMovie. That's the app that you need to do voiceover. Let's click a plus sign, let's create a movie. Let's select the movie that we want to do voiceover on. And over here you can click play and test it. And then once tested, click on the plus sign and click on voiceover. Now go ahead and click on record. Now in 3, 2, 1, you can go ahead and do your voiceover to any video that you select. Once it's done, you can click on review, just review and make sure everything is okay, and then click on accept. Once it accepts, that means voiceover is done. So now let's go ahead and click on save as video and choose the highest resolution, and it will say create a movie and we will save it into the photos where you